everyone, this is Melissa from stampwithmelissa.com here. I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the United States, and I'm so excited today because I am launching my first ever class. Woohoo! So this will be a class in the mail kit, and what that means is that nothing is in person. You will be emailed the links to videos for each project, and you'll be able to create on your own time whenever it's convenient for you, which is awesome. So this class will be Easter themed, and it's going to feature the Gift of Hope stamp set from Stampin' Up! And you will make 3 cards, so 1, 2, and 3, and 1 3D treat package. So if you head on over to my website, www.stampwithmelissa.com, you can see all of the options for subscribing for this kit, including a PDF and video only option for anybody who does not live in the United States, or people who do live in the US, but I actually cannot, as per Stampin' Up! Policy, I cannot send any product outside of the United States. So if you would like this kit, you can go ahead and get the PDF and video only option. So I hope you'll join me. Registration will be open through the end of the day on Sunday, March 14th. And then I will get all of the supplies ordered on the 15th, and they'll get here to me and hopefully be in your mailbox the following weekend, so you have a few weeks to create before Easter comes. So please reach out with any questions. My email is melissa@stampwithmelissa.com. Like I said, please reach out with any questions you may have. I'm super excited for this class, and I hope you'll join me as it's my first class ever.